Hi everyone, Turkey-Iran relations have been suspended since the 1950s. In the 1980s, with the uprising of the Iranian Revolutionary Guards and Islamic Brigades, the forces of Ayatollah Khomeini overthrew the Pahlavi dynasty of Reza Shah. 2,700 tanks, 150.00 vehicles, .120 self-propelled artillery, .20 towed artillery, .10 rocket projector, .85 air defense, .340 tanks, 100.00 vehicles, .60 self-propelled artillery, .40 towed artillery, .30 rocket projector, .50 air defense. I should also point out that Iran's military power is based on Soviet systems. These weapons are very old and cumbersome systems. 1,600 aircraft total, .20 fighters, .50 attack types, .10 transports, .120 trainers, .50 helicopters, .150 attack helicopters, .345 drone, .120 aircraft total, .20 fighters, .10 attack types, .10 transports, .10 trainers, .30 helicopters, .10 attack helicopters, .10 drone. In fact, the Iranian Revolutionary Guards are following a coup policy like the Kenan Evren regime in Turkey. This administration has harassed the people and encouraged them to revolt. In most places, rebellions are solved by slaughtering people. 150 total assets, .1 aircraft carriers, .11 frigates, .1 destroyers, .9 corvettes, .15 submarines, .105 patrol vessels, .25 drone, .1 intelligence ship, .130 total assets, aircraft carriers, .10 frigates, .0 destroyers, .10 corvettes, .20 submarines, .10 patrol vessels, .15 drone, .0 intelligence ship, 100.00 force personnel, 100.00 force personnel, 50.00 Navy personnel, 100.00 force personnel, 500.00 Army personnel, 45.00 Navy personnel. Turkmens live in a very large part of Iran. In total, 5 million Turks live in the Mosul region, including the Kirkuk region of Iraq. In the event of any war, these minority groups will support their own people. The last text, I should point out that Iran has been subjected to causeless sanctions. These sanctions have collapsed Iran's economy. With the simplest example, 1 Iranian rial is equivalent to 5 Kurdish Turkish lira. The Iranian people, numbering 87 million, are fed up with this situation. Its territory c.